Hey everyone, welcome back to MemeCoinNinja, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made a 125% profit in less than 10 minutes trading a meme coin called NOCOIN, and how I made the decision step by step using a simple and a smart process that I follow each and every day. This is a real-time trade breakdown, and if you're someone who trades meme coins or wants to start, you'll want to pay attention to the way I approach every trade. With patience, a strategy, and zero emotions. So here's what happened. The moment when the coin NOCOIN is graduated from PumpSwap, the script checks all the above verifications like RugCheck status, socials, mint authority, and the freeze authority, and notifies to the VIP Telegram bot in the fraction of microseconds. But I didn't just rush in and buy it. I always check the basic filters like, does the project have a working Twitter account with some decent number of followers, and also do the RugCheck verification. It should be good, which was already verified by our script and notified through our Telegram bot. And before entering any new token, I follow what I call the 3-minute wait rule. Wait and watch the chart for 3 minutes to see how it's moving. And here's what I look for during the time, like, are more buyers than sellers getting in, and I look for at least around like 300 plus gap in the buy pressure, and is the number of buyers growing steadily. And if the chart looks weak after 3 minutes, then I don't trade. Sometimes I wait another 3 minutes to confirm, or I simply move on to the next notification and simply repeat the steps. No stress, no chasing. And after watching the NOCOIN for 3 minutes, here's what I saw. The buy volume was going up, the market cap was still low, and no signs of dumping or major red flags. And that's when I decided to enter the trade. And within a few minutes, the price started moving fast. I booked 125% gain profit in the first 10 minutes and closed the trade shortly. No second thoughts, no greed, just execution and no look back. So here's what I learned from my previous experience. Patience always pays off. Even in meme coins, waiting for a few minutes can save you from bad entries. Look at the chart. Mostly I prefer a 1-minute trading chart. Have a plan and know when to enter and when to exit. Always have my Trojan bot take profit settings to 100% when the coin reaches to 2x. A 2 to 3 good trade per day is more than enough, and you don't need to trade every alerts. This trade worked because I followed a simple framework and no emotions and no hype. If you stick to your rules, protect your capital, and treat every trade like a business move, you will avoid a lot of mistakes and start seeing a better results. And for more information, please visit memecoinninja.com, and we are running a promotional offer with just $39 per month or $299 for the whole year for the first 100 members. We also offer a free trial with no payment details required for you guys to try it. And just a quick reminder, all this is for educational purpose only. I'm not giving any financial advice. Always do your own research. Thanks for watching. Stay calm, stay focused. MemeCoinNinja signing off.